Once a wolf found a great difficulty to have the vigilance of the shepherd and his dog, but one day, luckily, it found the skin of a sheep that had been flayed and thrown aside. So the wolf, with an ugly mind, decided to put it on over its own fat. It strolled down among the sheep. The lambs that belonged to the sheep whose skin the wolf was wearing began to follow the wolf in the sheep's clothing. The lambs which followed the wolf were taken little apart from the flock, since the flock wolf found a look good opportunity. It soon made a meal of them. For some time he succeeded in deceiving the sheep and enjoying hearty meals. Moral: sometimes a deceptive but witty brain is useful.